Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr. just made the boldest business move yet. They are now Bitcoin miners. And how is their company called? American Bitcoin. How more patriotic Bitcoin mining company can be called? How did they get into Bitcoin mining so fast? It takes years to build a Bitcoin mining farm. Well, Trumps do things a different way. American Bitcoin was founded by Trump brothers as well as Hut 8, one of the largest Bitcoin mining companies in the United States. That's a good business move. You find the company that already knows what to do, you bring your brand name and expertise in business, and you start the best business. That's how I would do if I could. Trump brothers are stepping into one of the most energy-intensive, politically sensitive industries on the planet. Now, this is more than a headline. It is reshaping crypto, politics, and money. Let's unpack why it matters for the Bitcoin mining sector. If you want to check my political dive into Bitcoin during the Trump administration, please check my video Bitcoin, Trump, and the Future of Cryptocurrencies in the United States, the link in the description below. Why do I think Eric and Donald Trump get into Bitcoin mining? The deal details. So here's what happened. Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr. became investors and board members in American Bitcoin. They are also considered co-founders. This company was also co-founded with Hut 8, who owns 80% of the newly formed company. The goal is for American Bitcoin to become a separately publicly listed company and become one of the largest Bitcoin miners in the United States. When asked about why they are getting in Bitcoin mining, Eric called it a revolution in finance. That's here to stay. While Don Jr. said it's about reshaping financial freedom in America. Why Bitcoin mining? First, economics. With Bitcoin's 1.2 trillion market cap and $50 million a day in mining revenues, it's just a good business to be in. Second, I think Bitcoin mining has a good political alignment with Trump's family. Bitcoin fits anti-establishment, pro-freedom, anti-central bank narrative that appeals to the base. Third, influence. By getting into mining, not just holding coins, they are stepping into crypto infrastructure of the new financial system. And remember, Trump's sons are heavy on crypto from early on. Trump coin, Melania coin, World Liberty Financials, Bitcoin mining seems like a right move. What do I think it means for the industry? The Trump brand effect. For American Bitcoin, it's a free publicity. For Bitcoin industry in general, it's a free publicity as well. But most importantly, it is a sign that we have a renaissance of crypto mining industry in the United States. When sons of the president are getting into the industry, it definitely means that we are not going to be haunted as we were in the last administration. So I'm thinking this is amazing news for the industry. But on the other hand, I think it adds more competition to crypto miners because more investment is going to be attracted to Trump family than to traditional publicly traded Bitcoin miners. So we'll see how it's going to play out for everyone. But in general, I think that's an amazing step forward to actually legitimize Bitcoin mining in the United States. Now more states are actually going to learn about Bitcoin mining from the news, and they will be not so wary when any Bitcoin miner comes to their community to start a mining farm. Crypto mining has been always an epicenter of the energy debate. A lot of people are thinking that Bitcoin mining is wasting energy. I think with more publicity in Bitcoin mining industry through Trump family, it's going to actually educate more players, and we're going to see more crypto mining companies starting their businesses in America, and the energy company is going to be on board with that. Trump's getting into Bitcoin mining industry is a signal that the industry has grown up. We have big players coming into this game and they are actually making waves. We're gonna see more political debate around it, but in general, I think that's amazing news for our Bitcoin mining industry. Now, this raises the stakes for policymakers, investors, and just normal crypto miners who are participating in the network. So how long will it take to see the results? Well, I think the results are going to be seen immediately. The company definitely going to be listed on exchanges very soon, and we're going to start seeing more capital coming into the organization, which will lead to a massive growth for the company. Then we're going to buy more equipment, secure more energy, build more data centers, and actually grow the business. I actually bet that within the next 2 years, this company will become one of the largest Bitcoin miners in the United States and even the world. Currently, American Bitcoin is still very much connected to Hut 8. But the moment this company gonna raise its own money and get publicly traded, you will even forget it was a part of it. Trump's gonna run this organization to highest heights. Look at the goals they are saying. They want to have a 50 exahash of the whole network in the next couple years. That's amazing. These are big numbers. Not only these numbers are impressive, but actually with the help of infrastructure that they inherited from Hut 8 as a co-founder, they actually can deliver that with no time. All what they need is capital. They already have operational expertise, they already have the biggest megaphone in the world, and they already have actual expertise how to build facilities. Remember, Trump is a construction guy, and his family has been very heavily involved in construction for very many years. I think the pinnacle of this company gonna be seen at the next halving, close to 2028. The company gonna definitely become one of the leaders in the United States and the world. How successful American Bitcoin can be for Trump's family? Well, I think it fits in their portfolio of assets. They have hotels, golf courses, different type of real estate, and this is just another type of real estate that they're gonna own. That's a direct business of Trump organization. From the other perspective, it's a big bet on crypto. Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr. are heavily involved in cryptocurrency in general. So speaking about World Liberty Financial Token, will it benefit from Bitcoin mining? In my opinion, absolutely. I think the World Liberty Financial is a new technological stack of financial products built on blockchain. World Liberty Financial started a DeFi product. They invested into a stablecoin technology. USD1 is a new stablecoin that was issued by the company. And now Bitcoin mining. It seems like a logical step to control multiple financial products around Bitcoin and blockchain in general. So here's the bottom line. The Trump's family Bitcoin mining move is about more than just business. It's about reshaping crypto's political, environmental, and economic future. If they succeed, they set up the blueprint for political players in crypto. If they fail, which I doubt, it could become one of the largest flops in the history. Should the political families get into crypto at all? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.